Because here we have a small little American Standard Silver series. It's very high. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if the run cap's dying or what. But I don't know what it's supposed to be. There's that very loud exhaust fan there. But it's got an Alliance compressor. And there's that, like I said, there's an annoying exhaust fan here. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. And it's very hot here. Oh my god. I can feel the nice air coming from that thing. I don't exactly know what it's doing. It's not a heat pump, but I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's an energy efficient thing. That's what it is. Now it's blowing out really hot air. And there it goes again. And it shut down. So it is a 4-ton from 2016. Here we have this weird exhaust fan thing. Don't know what that's about. Back here we have an HVAC. I believe this is an HVAC. Actually, that's more like a heater. Yeah, this is just a little heater. So I think this is a heater. Yeah, this is a heater. There's that. It's our gas meter. This is a restaurant, but there's still that Allegiance unit I'm a fan of. But there's that exhaust fan. Here's this really hot air conditioner transformer. Back here, we have, well, what I believe is an air conditioner. Not that sure what it actually is, but like I said, I'm not exactly too sure what this thing is. I don't know. Can't exactly find out what this thing is. I'll have to check it out from back there and see if we can figure out what this thing is. But again, this little, at least it's 11 they got for now. Fan shutting down. I didn't get startup, so I didn't call it a startup and shut down, but I don't know what this actually is. Is this a... I don't exactly know what this is. I think it's something to keep this tent open. but I'm not exactly